Yeah, good people. How far now? What's the way now? Oh yeah, I'm gonna gather here. Make we align this matter. The matter when I want to align today. Now this issue of this our gym wear. Maybe they wear go gym as girls. Of the truth, maybe we no lie. Get some kind matter, when we say as girls we need to tell ourselves. You they go gym based on you want work out normal level, or you they go showcase your body, or you they go showcase your nakedness to everybody. Because of the truth, I don't understand wetin dey happen. No, person go say make go gym, may you also go raise 1 or 2 iron, do 1 or 2 body work. You go just see your fellow girl for there, everything you're there outside. Like wetin dey happen? Because I don't really know wetin dey happen. No, make we tell ourselves the truth. Una dey misbehave. No be like una dey really dey misbehave. Wetin be that one now? As in, person no fit go gym again, make everywhere see decent. Abi una want me dey come dey bounce una go back. Mo dey tell una say how far you go house. Now those kind of embarrassment una want dey see. As girls at times, we go dey talk that thing. My body, my pride. It's my body, my body. I bet shut up your mouth. If you just at your house, they do my body, my pride. Nobody say you go come gym, everybody they use now. You go you're naked, you say you wear clothes. Like, what did they actually they happen? What did they happen now? Go gym today. Everywhere, best is say wear top. Where's full outside? Make we they tell ourselves the truth. No be lie. Make we really they tell ourselves the truth. Like, it gets some kind of thing when you go wear safe. You go look yourself for mirror before you step out. You know say after this thing no, it no go make sense. So make I go inside, make I go change. But some of now they deceive on herself. Now they say, no, my body, my pride, my body, my you go gas shut up, oh, no be lie. You go gas shut up. Make we see truth, make we they talk am. Gym now for everybody. No be if na your private gym like you naked they do your work. Nobody go hold you. Don't be saying a public gym. As you take pay for sub. That's why I still take pay for sub. Person go come, make come work out now. You they use your own distraction, they distract the whole gym. What did they happen now? People did that maybe say that they married. People did that maybe say they be father, they be prince, they be everything, they be priest. But you go carry your own, you call it down, go everything for person front. Not be so now. We all be adults. Maybe they behave like adults. If na small children they do this thing now, we go talk say I not get on train. No adults, as in like adult grown up people, self go see they do their own. But really, make we really they see truth. Make we really they talk am. Really, it not just they nice at all. You know they nice. When you go gym, you go see some kind people, some kind babes. What did they wear? They come gym. You go come and ask yourself like, what did they happen? The other day, one of my friend mo gotta go gym. A married guy. As we reach gym like this, as in we just dey work out, one babe just enter. As the babe enters, he just see the way the babe wear based on. He just tell me say, "Afa, I dey go house." So he just carry himself dey go house because the kind thing no be wetin person supposed to dey look based on 1 or 2. Like people make una enter comment, make we really align this matter, make una drop una suggestion. Abi I dey over the react, abi the things they happen to una. My people, don't forget to share this update too. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to continue to subscribe. And that bell, don't forget to ring on so that as the update they drop now, they are among the first people go the year. My people, una do.